Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia, and please take a second to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss another video. Now, I've been making a list of the comments you guys have been leaving on my videos. You guys have been asking me to share with you guys some of my favorite products for certain things. Now, you guys have asked me for a shampoo, a conditioner, leave-in, all of that, and I think I have them on my page. If I don't, I will start making updated versions of my favorites because obviously over time I do tend to try new things and I switch up what my favorites are and all of that. So for today's video, I'm actually going to share with you guys some of my absolute favorite detangling conditioners. Now these conditioners can get through anything, and when I mean anything, I mean like when I'm taking out a protective style, whether that be knotless braids, box braids, passion twists, anything along the lines of braids. Whether I leave my hair in a bun for over a week, whether I don't style my hair in weeks and I just have a ton of tangles in my hair. These are three conditioners slash deep conditioners that I am absolutely obsessed with, that literally have never steered me wrong. Whenever I am just struggling, I lather my hair in one of these three products and I'm telling you, they are life-changing. I do have more than three options, but for this particular video, I do want to make this my favorite detangling conditioners under $10. So these are all under $10. So I'm really excited to share them with you guys because a lot of you guys struggle with detangling your hair, and believe it or not, my hair looks more scary than it actually is. I know it looks very dense, it looks very thick, but believe it or not, it actually doesn't get as tangled if I keep up with my weekly wash and goes. And I actually went to a salon, my go-to salon, Five Salon and Spa in New Jersey. And the girls that were actually washing my hair, I know you guys watch my video, so hi guys. But yeah, so the girls that were washing my hair were actually very impressed with the detangling process. I think they thought that they were gonna be detangling my hair for like hours and hours, and it actually was more seamless than they expected. So I always say that my hair looks more intimidating than it actually is because it doesn't actually tangle up that bad. It used to tangle up more when I was transitioning, honestly. Like, I could put my hair in a ponytail, take it out, and I had a big ass knot. So now I don't know if it's because my hair is healthy again that I don't tend to knot as easy, but I do on occasion get some crazy knots. So I'm not gonna say that it never happens, but it's very rare that it happens, especially if I'm keeping up with my wash and go routines. Now, when I'm removing a protective style, my hair becomes a completely different species. I don't know what's wrong with it, but no matter what I do, no matter how much product I apply to it, it just tangles up. But with these three products, they have literally been my saving grace. So I'm gonna get right into this video because I talk too much. So I'm gonna share with you guys the first conditioner. Now this conditioner should not be a surprise to you guys because I have mentioned it on my channel before, but the first one I'm gonna mention is the Trader Joe's Nourish Spa Conditioner. I am such a fan of this conditioner. The one thing I will state beforehand is that this does contain silicone, and it's actually a non-water soluble silicone. So if you're someone who's completely against silicones, or if you do dibble and dabble in the silicone area, this one does have a non-water soluble silicone, so just keep that in mind when it comes to purchasing this product. I absolutely love this conditioner, and believe it or not, when I was away on vacation, a lot of you guys were asking me like, what did I have in my hair and what was I using to style my hair? I never actually put that video together, but this is actually the leave-in that I used paired with the Wetline Extreme Gel, and it gave me so much holds. And my wash and goes in the Caribbean, I wouldn't say that they don't last long, but they tend to get frizzier sooner, but I actually don't mind the frizz. It just tends to get bigger and bigger sooner because of the humidity, and my hair is not really accustomed to that. But my hair actually enjoys being in humid climates. I don't know. All I'm gonna say is that this kept my hair super duper calm. No matter what I do, no matter where I go, no matter what style I do, this kills any knot that you can think of. And the fact that this is under, I believe this is actually under $6, you can be so heavy-handed. I'm very heavy-handed with this product, so it makes me feel more comfortable being heavy-handed with a product that's under $10 because I could just go to town with it and not feel guilty. So this product, I do the most, the absolute most. I let it sit in my hair for like 2-3 minutes and it literally melts away every single knot, and I'm not even making this up. Like, this has so much slip. So if you're somebody who is just like, if it works for me, I'm down, doesn't really matter whether it has silicones or not, this one right here, bomb. This was my exception to the rule of the silicone world. Like, I used to be so anti-silicone. I used to be like, I'm not using silicones in my hair, whatever. But my hair actually really enjoys silicone. I'm not gonna stop using ingredients that work really well in my hair. The important part when it comes to using products with silicone is knowing that you have to remove the silicones from your hair. So you have to obviously wash your hair accordingly. So for me, when I know I'm using a product that has maybe heavier silicones, then I know that I should be using more of a clarifying shampoo in my next wash day. So it's all about the knowledge behind how to use the ingredients that are in your products. Of course, there are some ingredients that I completely stray from, but when it comes to silicones, like my hair really enjoys them. Honestly, I just use them because my hair likes them. If you're open to trying different ingredients and different products, this one right here, she's good. And I love her. I adore her. I will continue to buy her because she has not failed me. And I've used her as a leave-in. Like I said, I used her as a leave-in. When I actually tried her as a leave-in, I was in a rush. I was like, okay, I don't have time to look for a leave-in nothing. So I just plopped the Wetline Extreme. Well, I mixed the Wetline Extreme gel in my hand first, then plopped it on top of this. And I was like, girl, I might be onto something. I might actually film a video showing you guys this wash and go so you guys can see what I mean. And the next product I'm gonna talk about, you guys have seen it on my channel as well. It's the Matcha Green Tea and Wild Apple Blossom Butter Mask from Not Your Mother's Naturals. I know this is not a conditioner, but the conditioner to this line, amazing. I actually don't have it with me because I ran out, and I've been using this as a conditioner because it works really, really well. And when I use it to detangle my hair, I just leave it in for the designated time it's supposed to stay in your hair, and it serves as a deep conditioner as well. So since this product is more on the thicker side, when I do use it as a conditioner, I have to add water to pretty much not necessarily dilute it, but to have it work its way through my hair. So I always use it with water, and I'm telling you, this is another one that rips through all of my knots, and it's another one that's under $10. So I'm very, very heavy-handed with this product as well because they always have deals on it too. So I believe this is $8, $9, $8, $9, but it comes with 10 ounces and it's so thick. So I can literally get 4 or 5 uses out of this, depending on what I'm using it for. It's bomb. I absolutely love it. You have definitely seen other curlies talk about it and rave about it. She's bomb. She's silicone free, definitely curly girl friendly. If you try the shampoo and the conditioner from this line, you will really, really like it. It's really nice. It's also very hydrating, and the conditioner has a ton of slip. Very similar to this one, but a softer texture, so it's obviously easier to rake through your hair. I might revisit this line too and do a whole video on it as well. This one right here was actually one of my go-tos in the beginning. Like when I started my natural hair page, and this was like a very big thing once. So everyone was just like, oh my God, Not Your Mother's Naturals is a brand that's out or whatever. So I was like, all right, bet. So I'm gonna try it. So I remember they'd always do buy one, get one free sales or buy one, get one 50% off sales. So it was very easy and convenient to purchase the entire line of these products. And I actually really like them. So I might revisit this. It's been a while since I've used the shampoo and the conditioner because I've been just using this, but I never run out of this. Like, always have this everywhere. I am obsessed with this mask. It is amazing. And last but not least, you guys have definitely heard me talk about this conditioner. It's the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner. Love her. Love the shampoo. They need to come up with other products because I'm obsessed. I am literally the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle advocate. All I do is talk about these products. Like, they're amazing. The funny part about how I discovered these products was I wasn't even natural at this point. I had just done a keratin treatment. And when you do a keratin treatment, you can't use products that have sulfate. So I went for the sulfate-free option and I found the shampoo. So when I tried the shampoo, I was like, oh, this is actually really nice. So then I was like, let me go pick up that conditioner. Tried the conditioner and I really liked it too. Both of them, you can buy them for both under $10, which that's a steal. This is one of those products that, again, since it's very affordable, I just lather it on my head and just like let it sit for a little bit. And when you add water to this product in your hair, it just, again, melts away all your knots. And I have yet to use this on a head full of knots that it doesn't work. Like, everybody that I refer this collection to, they're obsessed. So I know that Trader Joe's is not accessible to a lot of people, and I don't recommend you purchasing it on Amazon because they are charging you triple for these products, which is not necessary. I think when and if you are in an area that does have a Trader Joe's, highly recommend you stocking up on these products because they are freaking bomb. Yeah, this is one of those that, again, never really leaves my house. I never run out of this. I always stock up. I think every time I go to Trader Joe's, I pick up a new one of these and the shampoo because I always have the Nourish Spa conditioner and I don't use it all the time. But when I need it, it's always there. I also do, of course, have some high-end options to share with you guys. I just wanted to make this video more of an affordable detangling conditioner option video because I want to give you guys options. I don't want you to feel like you have to go and spend $30 on a bottle of something for it to work. Like, there are a lot of affordable options for everyone. So these are my top 3. Like, when I'm telling you, these are just game changer, especially if you have thick 3C, 4A curls, like very thick, coarse hair. Like, They break through any knots. I'm telling you, they're amazing. If you guys want a video on how I detangle my hair, I don't think I've done that yet, but if you guys would like for me to make a video on how I detangle my hair, I am more than happy to do so. Comment that down below if you guys would like to see that, because I'm happy to make it for you guys. But yeah, that's all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I just wanted to pop in and give you guys a quick video sharing with you guys my 3 favorite detangling conditioners. And when I'm telling you these 3 conditioners can help somebody, I know for a fact that if you guys haven't tried these products, you guys will definitely enjoy them. Like, they're freaking bomb. The slip on them, amazing. So definitely check them out. But yeah, guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.